the tangent of some angle T is 3 over 4, but angle T is between 0 and pi over 2. Okay. All right. So this is 0. 90 degrees is pi over 2. This would be pi. This would be 3 pi over 2. And then back around again takes you to 2 pi. That's a full circle. But they're saying that T is somewhere between 0 and pi over 2. So that is going to lock you into the first quadrant here. Okay, that's what this is telling me. So somewhere, you know, it's rotating, and here's my right angle. And so this right here is T. Okay. All right, I'm going to draw it over here. So I don't know what T is, but the tangent of that angle, the tangent is, make this smaller, 3 over 4. And remember that tangent is opposite over adjacent. Okay, so in this picture, here's your right angle, and so the hypotenuse is across from that. So the opposite angle, or the opposite side of T, here's T, opposite would be right here. So that is your 3. Okay, that's a little big. And then adjacent would be this side here. So go smaller. This is the 4, and this is the 3. Which means in order to figure out sine and cosine, I need the hypotenuse. So looks like we're doing the quadratic, or not the quadratic formula. Sorry. We're doing the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So one of my sides is 3, or my legs is 3. So 3 squared plus the other one, which is 4 squared, is going to equal the c squared. All right, so 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 9 and 16 adds up to 25, and at this point, if I square root both sides, my c is 5. So my hypotenuse is 5. And so now I can find everybody else. The sine is, remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine is the 3 over the 5. And I'll just go ahead and do sine goes with cosecant. So the cosecant of t would be the reciprocal of this. It would be the 5 over the 3. And then I'm looking at cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And the adjacent is the 4 over the hypotenuse, which is the 5. And cosine, the reciprocal of cosine is secant. So secant is going to be 5 over 4. And then I already have tangent. So the last one I need is the cotangent. And that's going to be the reciprocal of the 3/4. So that'll be 4 over, whoops, forgot to switch colors. 4 over 3. So when I go back, whatever order Mobius presents them to me, what do they got here? I'm going to do a split screen to make this easier on myself. Go Go over here. Boop. There we go. Okay, we got sine first. That is 3 over 5. So 3 over 5. Whoops. Gotta get that B out of there. Boop. And then cosine is, how could I get this to slide? Here you go. There we go. Cosine is 4 over 5. Oops. 4 over 5, April. And then secant is 5 over 4. I'm just looking for whatever answer I need to put in there. And then cosecant is back over here. Cosecant is 5 over 3. And cotangent, where'd my cotangent go? Cotangent is 4 over 3. All right. Did I do? I'm looking for all greens. There we go. Green, 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 and green. Good job. Good job to me.